Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. For my returning, hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be preparing lunch together. This day was Friday and here it was after my prayer. I woke up early and I cleaned my house, which I didn't want to show you that part, guys, because I don't want this video to be too long. We're going to make a beetroot, we're going to make potato salad, we're going to make carrots rice, and we're going to make spinach. So guys, while I was cleaning, I prepared other stuff which thing was supposed to be boiled, I boiled, and yeah, which is eggs, and I boil potato as well, and then I boil also beetroot. Yeah guys, so and the chicken, oh yeah, I almost forget to mention the chicken, guys. We're going to make we're going to grill chicken as well. So as you guys can see, I already peeled my potato. Okay guys, so let's start our cooking. So first I'm frying one onion. I will need this onion after I finish cooking my rice, just for garnish, guys. So let's quickly fry the onion and set this aside. Okay guys, now let's prepare the rice. I have soaked my rice already. I'm using a basmati rice. It doesn't matter what rice you are using. So I chop my carrots and I add some oil in the pot. I'm going to fry that until it's like so. And now I'm gonna add 4 cups of water, depending how much rice you are cooking. So after that, I'm going to put one chicken cube, one chicken, yeah, chicken cube, this one, guys. And I add some salt as well. So I'm going to cover and let it boil. After boiling, I'm gonna add my rice and I'm gonna let cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the water have dried. And now I'm gonna add turmeric powder, since I'm looking for that yellowish color, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm back, and as you can see, our rice is done, you guys. So now I'm just garnishing with some fried onion, the onion which we fried earlier on, and our carrots rice is done and looking so beautiful. So next we're gonna prepare our spinach. I add some oil and onion, and then after frying for a few minutes, I add ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon, since it's not so much spinach I'm making, just a little bit. And then I add raja spice, and I add tomato paste, a teaspoon, and then I add my spinach. I add one chicken norok chicken cube and let it cook. As you can see, guys, it's done. Yeah, so I'm going to set that aside. We're gonna prepare now the chicken. I'm adding in the pot 1 cup of water, 1.5 tablespoon of chicken spice. I'm gonna add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoon of vinegar, some ginger and garlic paste, a teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm gonna add also a little bit of red color, food red color. Give that a quick mix. Add the chicken. I'm gonna cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna come back and flip it over and cook other side as well for another 10 minutes. After boiling my chicken, I'm going to remove from the pan and I'm going to grill in the oven for about 15 minutes or until I see is light golden in color. For my potato salad, guys, I'm adding a little bit of aromat. I'm adding spring onions. I'm gonna add my eggs. I'm gonna add mayonnaise, and this sauce here is a sweet chili dressing I use as a sauce as well, so it's like 2 in 1 and I'm loving it. It's very tasty, guys. So I mix it, both mayonnaise and this sweet chili dressing. I'm gonna give that a quick mix and set aside. And for beetroot, guys, I like it simple. I like it just simple. I don't like to add many things, so I'm gonna just add two things, which is onion and vinegar. I'm going to mix that, and I'm gonna just keep in the fridge. I won't finish it for one day, and I'm the only one eating this beetroot, so that's why I add more vinegar so it don't get spoiled. So now, as you can see, guys, I'm done. Everything looking so beautiful. And if you did like, guys, this video, make sure you hit a like button. Okay, don't forget to like, and make sure you share as well. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.